What's up guys? So today I'm going to take off the headliner and replace it with some suede, black suede headliner. I think it's going to look awesome. Makes it, make the car like all nice and dark. I like it when there's, tinted windows and, a black like headliner. That just looks sick. So I'm just going to take everything I think I need off. I'm just going to take off like the dome light, the oh shit bars, and pretty much the other lights. But yeah, we have this center light, the dome light. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 oh shit bars. We have pretty much these sun visor bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course we have the B pillar, A pillar over there, and the C pillar. And we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe, screws. So hopefully this doesn't take too long and we can get them out. So for these handles, I'm just gonna call them handles now, pretty much you want to slide these covers out of the way, and then you want to attack it with a Phillips. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the center dome light. All you pretty much do is pop this plastic cover off, and then it will give you access to these 2 screws, and there'll also be a wiring harness in there, so be careful about that. You'll see it right now. Alright, yeah, you just pretty much unplug it from there. Yee! Pretty much the same with this one. You want to pop that plastic clear cover out, and Geronimo! Alright, you'll see 2 screws, one right there, and another one right there, and you're just gonna go and unscrew it. There's a little wiring harness. You just press this tab, and voila! Yee! I started taking off the sun visor. There's 2 long bolts over here, and 1 long bolt there. They look like that. So on the left is the long bolt for the outside, and a small bolt for the inside. So I had to take off the seatbelt. All you do is pop off this cover, and you'll see it kind of like that, and then you just undo it, and voila. So now I got all the pillars kind of pretty much let's see here, pretty much like just popped off at the top, right there, there, and there. And now I need to take off pretty much like these little things. Looks like I have 4 back there and 1 up here. So now I got the headliner off. It took a little effort, kind of trying to, I have the seats down, and also since the steering wheel's in the way on this side, you want to get out of the passenger side. Also have the windows down, that helps. But I got it out now, and now I'm gonna go to the store. Alright, so I picked up some 3M high strength adhesive spray. This is 3M90, as you can see. Costs about 12, 13 bucks at Home Depot. Got that. And then I got the suede. And the suede, I went to a place called Joann's, a little fabric store in Vacaville, and I got pretty much 4 feet by about 6, 7 feet. Yeah, about 7 feet. Yeah, got the suede. Ooh. This is with it's out, and I kind of started peeling it apart. Just want to go along the outside and pretty much work your way into the middle. It's pretty easy, but yeah, might just take 10 more minutes, if that. So now I got the headliner out, and what I'm doing is I'm spraying it with the adhesive spray, and yeah, just going back layer after layer. Once you got like at least 2 layers on, you wait for a couple minutes, wait for it to dry just a little bit, just to where it's kind of tacky, and then you can spray your cloth, put it on, and it should be fine. Gotta air out bubbles, quote unquote bubbles, creases, all that stuff, and yeah. So far, about to get half of it done. It's pretty much like every 4 inches or so, spray the headliner and spray the fabric. And then I have pretty much my mom, pretty much have your helper standing right there. They grab the top of that, make it tight, kind of make it tight, you know, and then have someone on both sides, or you know, one person with their hand down, kind of guiding it, and also having tension with their right hand, kind of grabbing it right there. Yeah. Alright guys, this is day 2, and yeah, I pretty much finished it up. So, towards the beginning, it's actually nice and smooth. This is the back of the car, and it's pretty much good up until the window visors. So in the window visors, you have these like little divots and, you know, bends and creases, and it's just gonna be too hard to, you know, stretch it out. Unless I'm pretty sure if you use a heat gun, it should work. But yeah, most of these, like, you can just press down with your thumb. I might, you know, redo this again or something. See, like, I accidentally cut that, so patch it. I don't know. Yeah. So just be prepared. I should have started on the pretty much front side, since it's a little bit more difficult, and you don't have to like stretch the fabric all the way back and work there. You actually start there, you know, you can put the fabric down. But yeah, if you're gonna do this, I'd probably say start at the front. And, man, sheesh. Yeah, whatever. If I feel like that's just a nuisance, then, which it really is, sheesh. Whatever. I'm just gonna go with it and see what it looks like in the car, because, you know, it always looks better when it's in the car. Yeah. A lot of bubbles right there, and a lot right there, but I'm not really tripping. These are really minor, probably go away over time, who knows. And yeah, whatever, I like it. So that was the headliner install. Pretty simple. It just takes some time and effort and another person. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to ask or say, just leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff. See you.